Hello and namaste. Welcome to day 23 of Mindful 30 journey, and with 23rd day, it's our last week, which is our fourth week in this journey, and I hope you're having fun so far. Yes, today's practice is about channelizing that warrior within you. So let's keep that warrior with us alive. If not alive yet, we'll bring it back to life in this practice, and let's get started by standing. We'll place both the palms on your belly. Keep your eyes closed. And when you're breathing, just see if you can observe your belly moving forward as you inhale and going in as you exhale. We'll chant one Om sound together after next inhalation. Inhale. A simple intention for the warrior within you. And with that, let's gently open our eyes. We'll start with a little ankle mobility, which is very important and highly ignored areas of practice. So what you have to do is just roll out as you see me doing it and reverse it. Yes. Same thing on the other leg. Roll out and reverse it. Let's try adding a little bit of balance as we do this. So you're going to lift up your right leg, take your both hands and rotate everything towards your right. Yes. And then slowly reverse and change everything towards your left. With a good gentle smile on the face. It's okay if you lose balance. And slowly release. Other side. Same thing. Literally the same thing. Yes. And reverse. And release. Let me add a little bit of challenge, okay? You were doing ankles, you were doing both the wrists. Now you add your head. So however your wrist is moving, the same way your head moves. And one trick to this is keep looking ahead. Keep looking at one point, okay? Let's do this together. Slowly. It's okay to fall. Remember, we'll fall together. Let's explore it. Good, you're doing awesome. Yes, if you're falling, that means you're trying. If you can do this without falling, I commend you for your balance and control and coordination. That's even better. And release. Good job. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Look at one point, focus, breathe, and keep yourself relaxed as you focus. Yes, come on, try it with me. See, even I am struggling, right? It's not like I'm perfect. Let's not strive for perfection. Okay, and reverse. And release. You'll realize after a point of time when you get that focus, you are able to do it. Yes, at some certain point of time. All right, let's get started. You're going to step your right leg back for me, left leg ahead, bend both the knees and try to see if you can drop the back leg down. We're just trying to warm up before we get into all those warriors. So go as ahead as you can and come back. Go ahead and back. Ahead and back. You can add a pillow underneath your knee. Modify wherever you feel like. And slowly come back on the knees and change sides. Yes, we transition through the knees. Lovely. Slowly come back from here. Let's do the pelvis tilt. Anterior pelvis tilt, posterior. So arch your back, tuck it in. Take your tailbone out, tuck your tailbone in, out, and in. Good. Out and in, out. Micro movements, yes. Last one. And release. Good job. From here, slowly push your hands down and knees up. Step your right leg ahead. Place your left heel down. Yes. From there, bend the knees, both arms up and go up at warrior. Stay and breathe. Try to see if you can get your hips lower in line with your front knee. Keep your tailbone tucked in. Breathe. Slowly extend the legs and turn towards your front. Only the right toe come in. Now your left toe goes out. And bend the knees. If you want to lift that back heel off, if it's uncomfortable for you, you can do that. Bend it, look up at your thumb if you can, or keep looking ahead. Whichever gives you more stability. And breathe. Slowly straighten the legs, come back center and release. Get your hands on the waist. Slowly drop your hands down. Release your head and keep the weight on the hands and stay there as much as you can. Slowly get your hands on the waist, one by one, and slowly come up. Lovely. Let's come back to the warrior, okay? Now watch. We're just going to do two positions. So this is warrior 1, and then you're going to open your body and come into warrior 2 for me. This is warrior 2, and you look ahead on the front hand in warrior 2. Let's go up again. Warrior 1 and warrior 2. Awesome. 1 and 2. You're working through that hip rotation and back. Yes. So rotate and back. Good. Rotate, back. Last one. Back. Slowly center. Same thing on the other side. Look up, hips square. Open the hips. Look up. Look ahead. Yes. Look up. Look ahead. Look up. Look ahead. Look up. Look ahead. Yes. Strong. That's beautiful. Last one. Center. Hands on the waist and breathe. Lovely. You're going to put the heel in. Bend the knees. Goddess pose and just breathe. You want to join your hands in front of your chest, you can do that. Work through that legs. Keep that hips lower in line with the hips, in line with the knees. Keep pushing the knee out and back. You're there, just doing awesome. Slowly come up. Whew. Good. Lovely. Let me help you with the warrior 3 now. Okay? How do you do warrior 3? You're going to step your left leg back for me and take your both arm up. From here, you just let your body go ahead and let your leg come up. And then you find the balance. Let's do it together. Join me. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2. It's okay if you're struggling to balance. Like I said, the more you're wobbling, that means the more you're trying. That's good. And 1. I'm going to give you another trick. You can keep your hands down and do it like this. It gives you more balance. Okay, choose whatever feels the best for you and go for it. Second side. One side is always going to feel different than the other side. Balance it. Energy in the legs. Face relax. Don't focus so much that you start tensing your face in that. And slowly come up. Whew. Imagine that your head and the back leg is one straight long piece of stick. Okay? One more time. First side. Breathe. A gentle smile if you can. Hips square and slowly come up. With control, of course. Oops. Let's do the other side. Take your time, no rush. And slowly come up. Close your eyes and just breathe. Lovely. Let's stitch all the three warriors together. We'll start with warrior 2 first, okay? Veerbhadrasana 2. So turn out the right leg, bend the knee, try to take the hips lower in line with the knees as much as you can. Look up at the right hand and breathe. 5, 4, 3, gentle relaxed face, 2, and 1. From here, turn your body. You can lift up that back heel this time and go up in warrior 1, Veerbhadrasana A. Look up at your thumb. Breathe. From here, slowly shift your weight on the front leg. Reach out and then lift up the back leg. Balance and stay. You're doing amazing, people. The strongest warrior I've seen so far. Let's keep it going. Breathe. Almost there. Now control, reverse it the way you entered. Slowly go into warrior 1 again. Don't forget how you enter. Now reverse it into warrior 2. Now come up straight with the knees and start on the warrior 2 on the other side. Yes, we're not done yet. Balancing both sides is very important. Breathe. Slowly turn. Lift that back heel up. Look up at your thumb and just stay. Slowly shift the weight on the front leg and find your float. Awesome. Just breathe. This is amazing. We're almost there. Don't give up yet. You've reached all the way to the end. Give it all you got here. A good smile. Slowly return from where you entered. Reverse into warrior 2. Strongest warrior. Hands on the waist. Come back to center. Slowly step your legs together. Start again by placing your hands on the belly. And just breathe. Every minute, I am getting stronger than I was a minute back. I'm proud about the strongest self I am today. I'm going to work towards this strength every time I can. I am the strongest soul possible on this planet, and I believe in it. And slowly relax your hands. That was beautiful. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and I hope to see you for this last week of practice. I seriously recommend you to sit down and then lie down on your floor for some time before you carry on with your day. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day ahead.